Hello friends, welcome to SAPS English. Today we are going to study HSA Part B, 10 questions. It's a mock test, Series 2. Please do go to Series 1, which we have done a few days ago. It contained 50 questions. Today we have planned to study only 10 questions, and let's go through the questions. Welcome all once again. Which of the following is related to reception and perception of sounds? For options: auditory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, articulatory phonetics, none of these. The right answer is auditory phonetics. Acoustic phonetics deals with the transmission of sounds. Articulatory phonetics deals with the production of speech sounds. Going to the next question. David Crystal authored which of the following books? Option A, How Language Works. Option B, The Cambridge Encyclopedia of Language. Option C, Language and Internet. All of these. The right answer is all of these. Three books were authored by David Crystal. Their names are How Language Works, The Cambridge Encyclopedia of Language. It is written in 2018. Language and Internet. Okay. Going to the third question. The systematic relationship between sonnets in Germanic language. The systematic relationship between consonants in Germanic language and consonants in other Indo-European language state phonetic changes took place in is known as, is it in Grimm's law, Werner's law, both the laws, or none of these? The right answer is in Grimm's law. Let's study four set of changes. Aspirated plosive to unaspirated voiced plosive. Aspirated voiced plosive were changed to unaspirated. For example, bh to b, brother to brother, d to d, ruthira madhya, ruthira to red, madhya to middle, and gh to g, that is ghamsa to goose. The second one, voiceless stops to voiceless fricatives. Per to fur, that is pada, foot, pita, father. To the, pita, that is father, and father, brother. Okay, frater to brother. Cur to her, centum to hundred. Cardis to hurt. Voiced plosives to voiceless plosives, that is b to p, labium to lippa, d to d to t, that is dentum to teeth, g to k, that is genu to knee. And the fourth one is k to her, aquis and aqua to water, and quis to hoe. Okay, going to the next question. In 1609, Dash published the Shakespeare's sonnet. There are four persons' names given. The right answer is Thomas Thorpe. Thomas Thorpe in 1609 published the Shakespeare's sonnet. Let's go few points about that. Majority of Shakespearean sonnets are structured on 3 quaterns and a final couplet in iambic pentameter. 154 sonnets were published in 1609. The first 17 sonnets are generally termed the procreation sequence. Sonnet 121 is about corruption and honesty, and the word sonnet is derived from Italian word. Okay, it's an Italian word, sonnet, sonata. Next question. Dash grammar has replaced dash grammar. Structural to formal, formal to functional, functional to structural, and functional to formal. The right answer is functional grammar has replaced the formal grammar. Okay. What's functional grammar? It refers to the learning of grammar in the given context. Okay. Which of the following skills can be developed by teaching prose? That is reading habit, or critical thinking, or comprehension ability, or all of these. The right answer is all of the above. Okay, can be developed by teaching prose. What are they? Reading habit, critical thinking, comprehension, ability. The play, The School for the Scandals, was written in the year, it's a fancy number, 1777, 1777 is the year in which The School for Scandals was written. It was written by Richard Brinsley Sheridan. It has 5 acts and it is written in the manner of comedy of manners. Okay, it was written in a comedy of manners, and the play begins with a portrait. Okay, next, going to criticism. Anagnosis occurs at the dash of a tragedy. Is it in the beginning or the middle or the climax or the end? The right answer is in the climax. Anagnosis refers to the change from ignorance to knowledge. Recognition by means of signs or marks is the worst kind of anagnosis. Next question. Who says Shakespeare knew small Latin and less Greek? It's by Ben Jonson. Okay. Let's see the other 3 options. Robert Greene called Shakespeare as an upstart. T.S. Eliot opines that Dante and Shakespeare divided the modern world between them. There is no third. Wordsworth said, sonnet are the key with which Shakespeare unlocked his heart. Okay, so who called Shakespeare as an upstart? It's Robert Greene. Who told that the modern world is divided into 2 by Dante and Shakespeare? That is T.S. Eliot. And who told that sonnet are the key to unlock Shakespeare's heart? That is William Wordsworth. Okay, we studied that. The last question. Bertrand Russell was a mathematician and a philosopher who received the Nobel Prize for, he was a mathematician, he was a philosopher. Bertrand Russell, isn't it? Unfamiliar essays we have written, we have studied that, that is in our syllabus. So based on that, the question comes. We know that he got Nobel Prize for Literature. We have to study in which year Bertrand Russell awarded the Nobel Prize. That is in 1950. The function of a teacher is included in anthology titled Unpopular Essays. Thus we conclude this section of 10 questions. Hope you enjoyed the class. If you do enjoy, please make remarks or comment or like the video. See you in the next mock test number 3. Till then, bye.